Most business owners hire an accountant for their quote, year-end taxes, and they end up paying around $1,500 to $2,000 or sometimes more. What exactly are you paying for? There are 3 basic types of engagements. However, if you don't need any of the 3 types I will explain, you can save yourself around $1,000. Listen till the end. There are 3 types of engagement. The first one is quite common, and this is what we used to refer as notice to readers. Now it's called compilation engagements. For decades, the name notice to readers comes from the set of financials that accompanies your year-end work, and you would typically see a cover letter stating notice to readers. This engagement is not an audit or a review, and the accountant has not verified the accuracy or completeness of the financials. Users are therefore cautioned. The standards have changed slightly, and now this engagement is called compilation engagement. However, the essence is still the same, with the exception of procedures added if the financials are used by third parties. These engagements typically run between $1.5 to $3.5K per year. The second one is called review engagement. A review engagement provides a limited level of assurance that a company's financial statements comply with the applicable financial reporting framework. These engagements typically start at about $6,000 per year and up. A company with a substantial bank loan might require the company to provide year-end financials under a review engagement. The third type is called an audit. The audit engagement is a type of engagement that provides the most highest level of assurance that a company's financial statements comply with the applicable financial reporting framework. Typically, publicly listed companies are required to provide audited financial statements, and the cost ranges from $9,000 to $100,000 and more, depending on the complexity and the size of the entity or group of entities. Last but not least, an engagement that is not listed but your accountant can still offer you is simply the tax return. If you do not need a fancy set of financial statements, you just need your tax return done, you can ask your accountant for just that and save yourself about $1,000. Speak with your accountant and identify which engagement suits both your needs and your pocketbook. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Cheers.